I'm here to tell you a simple tip regarding the fridge blast. Each and every one, you must be very careful because this is really serious because it's happening across the country. You must tell this to your mom because she won't be knowing about these dangerous things. You have freon gas in fridge. Not alone that, in fridge in AC also. When you absorb that into your nose, when you smell that thing, the chemical reaction, it makes even your brain to death. You can die just like that because that is dangerous. So in order to make your fridge perfect, for example, if a person is using a fridge more than 15 years, you must be very careful. You must not keep your stabilizer on it. You must keep the stabilizer not on the fridge. You must keep in a place where it's not touching the fridge. There are certain cases which blast because of that, and there are certain cases where the oil leakages, you would be seeing all these damages, or you would be seeing that thing but you won't be carrying, and that's why some blast would happen because the compressor gets heat. When your fridge is getting heat, this problem arise and just a blast, and that's it. The dangerous thing is that people won't be aware about this thing, and at end we will lose your life. That's the reason when I just thought to take it as a video. You must ensure your neatness on fridge also. You must make sure that your fridge is clean. You must keep on cleaning it. You must not keep any dirt or dust in it because this is really required, because blast is just like that. Even the new fridge is happening just like that. Not alone the old fridge, even the new fridge. If you don't take care of these things, you would lose a life. That's it. Money would be coming, but losing a life because of carelessness, you can avoid, right? Yeah. So please do ensure that make your fridge is placed in an air placed. Don't make your fridge to stay tight. You must not keep it in a place where heat involved, or in a place where your cooking thing has been on, because if you don't give a space, I'm sure that heat would happen, and just like that blast would be, and that's what it's happening. So please be aware about this thing because chemical reaction has been on, this particular dangerous blast has been on. You must take care of it. Okay, without thought, I'm in this video. Take care, have a nice day.